Ni furaha kwetu sisi, ni furaha, ni furaha kwetu sisi, ni furaha kwa ujio wenu nyinyi, kwetu sisi ni furaha, ni furaha kwetu sisi, ni furaha, ni furaha.
I wish to recognize your exceptional efforts and determination of Your Excellence Beyond Zero campaign. You have such great efforts to bring us this vehicle. You have run, you have lobbied. We appreciate your efforts and we'll always remember you for that. We as a county and the people of Kenya in general applaud your effort, which has brought hope to many women and children. You have led the way in showing the importance of saving lives of mothers, newborns, and children. Your Excellency, I'm pleased to let you know that since 2013, Lamu County government has made progressive strides, as you have heard from the testimonies. We have improved quite a bit of maternal, neonatal, and child health. Our scale deliveries have improved. It was hardly 40%. We now have 60% of our mothers coming to deliver at the facilities. Our immunization coverage, children who are getting immunized, has really improved. As you witness, our elimination of mother-to-child transmission has also really reduced. Has improved. We have few babies. We are hoping to get even fewer babies. Actually, we want to get 0 babies to HIV. We have also, as you saw, we have about 50 new HIV positive every year. We want to reduce that to 0. Your Excellency, you have heard from all testimonies, and I remember the first time we met, that was the first thing I asked, but I know it's coming. It's coming. The boat is coming. It's coming, and all the islanders in the islands will also get a boat.